cute. Oh, look at this. This is very nice. And also dim sila. Ito. Yes. This is cute. Hindi sila ano ito. Color. Walang ano. Decoration. Ito. 5. Ito yung pala. 5 din. 3. 3 lang siya. Ayan. Ayan. Pinaray natin. Maganda siya. Patay na natin. Okay, mas maganda itong red. Walang red. Hindi sila nito. Ouch! Natusok ako. Ayan, natusok ako din. This is 5. Measuring cups. Okay. 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup. And 1 cup. That's cute. And there's also this measuring cup. Christmas tree. And this measuring cups. Tingnan natin. Ito naman ay stickers. Over 100 stickers. So I don't know how much is this. This is $3. I'm gonna check. Wow, daming stickers. Yeah. And coloring book. Nice. $3 as well. Coloring book. It has stickers. And it has coloring book. Ayan. Meron din silang doodle board. For $1 only. Imagine mo, may $1 sila ha. And this one, so cute. This is Bubble Pop Fidget Toy. Light up. Light up? $3. Light up daw. Hindi ko alam paano. Parang hindi naman nagla-light up, guys. Ayan. Meron sila dito. Squishies. Slime. 1 box. Okay. Meron sila dito. Ano na ba this? I think it's SpongeBob or what? Stitch. Stitch. This is how much? I cannot see the price, but they have electric facial brush. 5. And I don't know what it is. Velvety something. 5. And this is bean. It's a bean. And this one is a thing. 3. And 3. And this one is speed pop for $3. And speed pop. So there's a color of this one. And what else they have here? Musical tater tots. Building blocks. One set. One set. At wala siyang price tag. My gosh, walang price tag. Unicorn. So, walang price tag. Ito, meron siyang bedroom doorbell. Huh? Bedroom doorbell? $5. Cute. Okay. And doorbell. Ano natin to? Ito. May bubble bath. For $1. May bubble bath ka na. And this pop house is $1. Like, ganyan yata yan. Yeah, like this. Tinit. I don't know. And I don't know what's this for. Nobody's store stopper. $1. $1 naman. This is $1. O, meron sila dito boat. Ay, ang ganda nito. Parang gusto ko siyang bilhin. Turkey boat. O, diba? USS Gravy Boat. This is the cutest, guys. Natin yan yung mga box. Diba? Ay, magkano to? $3. Let's see the others. This is the turkey. I think butter. Yeah, $5. Ceramic turkey butter dish. How cute. $5. Let's see this. Like a bone or something. This is ceramic turkey leg spoon rest. So it's a turkey spoon rest, butter dish, and gravy. Ceramic gravy. This is so cute. Look at that. Yan pa tayo dito. Magkano? Crayola. This is how much? Walang price. Ang daming walang price. Ito 3. Wooden. Meron din siyang ganito. 3 lang din. Wooden. Ito bakit walang price? Ano makita? Siya makita. Anyways. What is this? Sama ba ito dito? Parang hindi. Wooden din. Pizza. 55. This is awesome. 5 only. Wood tray. It's a pizza. Wood tray din. Just 5. And this one is not got that. This is how much? $1. Why not? This is puzzle. Build your own fondue. Build your own fondue. Ginger. Wow. So this is only 3. This is eraser, I think. This is in the tub. Or in the tub. But bakit walang price? Ito. Turkey scroll thingy. It is $3. this is, I don't know what's this. Other holder or something. Taper holder, ceramic. Taper holder. Okay, ano yun? Ano ba yun? So, playing card holder. $1. Meron din siyang ganito. So, it's like that. It's like that. Gonna put it there. Merong Christmas tree. Merong ganito. Pero wala nang sulat. What is this? This is cute. Sandwich cutter. Ganda ito nga. $3 lang. Then, yeah. Tapos may ganito na. Cute. Ito yung fish. Fish. Pang decoration. Maganda siya. Pero pretty. Ito na o-open. $3. Wala ka na ito. Malted cider. Kaya ang ganda nito, cactus. $3. Cactus, may ilaw. Why not? May mga color siya. Look at this, may papakita ko. Ang cute-cute. Oh, magkano to? Ang cute. Nice to. Lunchbox, I think. Yeah. Lunchbox. May 5 compartments. Meron ganyan. Oh, yung cute velvet. $1. Ang ganda. Velvet. Oh, parang $1 lang. Ito yung maganda. Chewy. Awesome. Ito may stuffing. Stuffing na turkey. $5. Turkey na ano to? Plush slippers. Candy. 3. 3 din. Maganda yung gawa nila. May Christmas. Try me.
Where is the toy? Yellow. Where is the toy? Yeah.